Okay, so I'm really excited about this. I just got this in the mail and I haven't looked at it yet. So this is a true unboxing. Oh my gosh. Okay, oh man, it smells so good. So what I got here was a stag leather with a special designer pocket, and so awesome, in field note size. So she included a little field notes book, which that is awesome. And then this is a folio, a little folio. Now I am going to be using this for my travel journal. My husband and I are going on a trip. It's like 3 weeks. We're gonna go back home for a little bit, and then we are gonna head on to Florida to visit family. So I'm super excited about this. So to make things a little bit slimmer and make it easier on myself, what I'm doing is I have made a tiny field note size journal. I've made myself a dashboard. This is actually just clip art that I took from online, but I really think that it's a great idea as far as dissecting the plant. So I think I'm gonna make my own, but I really liked this, so I went ahead and made myself a little bookmark / dashboard. This is a field note size, like I said, but it has Tomo River paper in it, and then it also has Strathmore mixed media paper in it, so that's exciting. And what I think I'm gonna do is leave it super plain on the front, but I'm gonna put my sticker on there. And I thought about selling this type of journal in the shop. So you could get like the notebook with one or the other sticker. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the flower, because I did the eye on something else. And so, ta-da, I'm setting it up for you guys. I'm really excited. So there's the flower, and then let's go ahead and, I was so excited to see what this stag leather was all about. I love the fact that she keeps everything really thin and light. I have another notebook that I really like, but it's super thick, so it wouldn't be good for traveling, and it's kind of bulky in it. When I'm trying to slip my notebooks into it, it's just kind of difficult. So look at that, it's perfect, Rowena. It's absolutely perfect. I freaking love it. And I'm excited for the pocket, because then I can shove a couple pens or pencils in there, and it'll be good to go. Oh my goodness, it fits so nicely. Yes, little miss?
Can you help me with my covers?
Oh yeah.
And here.
Here, zip funny. Let's help you with your covers. Ooh, so I'm super excited about that. Sorry for the interruption. I can stick like I said, some pins in here or whatever I want. I'm so excited. Cut like a pen and a pencil or something. I don't know. I just thought the pocket was, it is so me, the pocket, especially the designer with the roughed up edge. I felt like it was just absolutely perfect. And you have little slots in here, so you can stick like little bits if you wanted to. Like I could put my little sticker in there, or you can stick stuff in here too. I'm really excited. This might be, I might have stuck, like it might be too thick. This particular notebook might be too thick for the leather itself, or the leather just might need to be like kind of like worked in, because it is brand new and everything. It's really pliable, and it's just not floppy. And this is exactly what I was looking for in a notebook, because I feel like every notebook that I have, it's either really stiff and I can't handle it, or it's so floppy that it has no structure. So this is like the perfect combination. This is awesome, Rowena. I love it. Freaking love it. And then she's so awesome. I was debating, I have a plain B6 journal right now. I'll get that for you. Hang on. So it's naked at the moment. I have sold my Huggable from Speckled Fawn, And I have this right now that I'm trying to debate what to put on it. And she was so sweet. Let's see. Oh my goodness, she's awesome. So she gave me this sample, and I'm not really like hip on her samples, but this is absolutely beautiful. It's a pull-up leather because when you bend it, it might not be a pull-up leather because it's not a very big difference, but awesome. And then she was so kind to send me 2 samples, one of sand and one of the olive. Oh my goodness. I love the feel of these. I was having a really hard time deciding what I wanted for my B6, if I wanted an olive or the sand. And you guys, oh my gosh, this just makes it 10 times harder. I don't know. This is olive, and a lot of people say that it doesn't look olive in person, and I would kind of agree. This is like a dusty olive. I would call it a dusty olive. Some people say it looks gray, but I think it does have it's green, but it's just kind of a gray green. So I'd call it like a dusty olive, and the sand is beautiful too. Oh no, oh no, oh no. This is gonna be a problem. So help me, people. Olive or sand? The exact same like feel of leathers. I'm gonna say it's pretty much the similar leather. It's got a velvety feel. Just one is sand and one is olive. Oh no. Anyway, so that is my decision for my B6, but this, I think this is like absolutely amazing. So again, this is the stag leather, so it's going to take some marks pretty easily, I think. Yeah, so I just kind of can scratch it with my nail. But it's super soft. I don't know what this leather is here because it's a special leather, but oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. It's very caramely and it's smooth as well, but it has some texture. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Cool. So anyway, this is what I got, and I need help deciding what to get. Like I said, I sold all my traveler's notebooks, so I have none, so I can figure out what I want to buy. And this whole package just smells amazing. All this leather. And I get some tea, which is glazed lemon loaf. And I saw this at the grocery store today, and I almost bought it, so I'm glad I didn't. Now I get to try it before I buy it. So cool. So I know this is like big and bulky in the video, so I might as well just go ahead and address this. I cut myself while I was making journals. Luckily, no journals were harmed by my blood, but I sliced my finger, I sliced the nail off right here, and I sliced about a little bit bigger than a 1/4 inch deep. I did not hit bone, but it was pretty bad. I did drive myself and my kids to the emergency room, and my husband met us there, and they didn't stitch it, they glue stitched? I don't know. They glued it shut, and he said that, you know, everything looks fine. So it doesn't hurt too much. It throbs a bit, but to be quite honest, it's fine. This looks a bit like it's worse than it is, I think, but it's really just mainly for protection because they don't want it to open back up, since it is, it would open my finger up because it's on the tip right there. I didn't slice through my nail bed, which is a good thing. So my nail should grow back, but I did cut off like the tip, kind of like at an angle, the tip of your finger. I didn't cut it off, but I cut through it. So anyway, props to my kids. They did really well. My oldest actually got the youngest buckled into her car seat and himself. So I wanted to thank him, and while I was getting ice and kind of like just holding this shut so it would stop the bleeding. But we are good, no problems. My son reacted very calmly in this crazy situation, so I was really proud of him. And my daughter, she did a great job as well. So I need some help deciding. I don't know which one to get. I do kind of am leaning toward the Dusty Olive because I am a green person, and you know, I just, yeah. So help me decide there. And if you have never tried Sojourner notebooks, one, I have this one that I previously had bought, and this is what kind of like got me started on it. This is very pliable and movable, and this is also a field note size. But I was like itching for one with a pocket for traveling, and so that's why I got this. If I end up really absolutely loving this, this might be for sale. You know how I roll. I don't like to keep too many things in my stash, but I'm not really sure because I like both of them a lot. I might end up just keeping them both so that way I can interchange, you know, as we go. You know how some people interchange them. I've never done that. As far as my travels go, I will be documenting that as I go. So you'll see this guy a bunch, and you'll kind of see how he wears. And then I will talk about what it's like being in him in this size, because this is a field note size. It's half, literally, like if you just cut this book almost in half and fold the pages, this is what you get. So that's why I did it. I thought it would be easy for me to create the book itself, like hand bind and hand stitch the book. So you'll see me work through all my normal stuff in here. When I'm traveling, it will be almost like a one book July kind of situation where I'm going to be drawing and journaling all in this one book. Like I said, I want to decrease on the bulk because we will be on an airplane, and I just don't like to check a lot of luggage, and we have kids, and you know the whole jazz. So I'll be downsizing to this guy. Until then, I need to make some decisions, and I need your help. All right, everyone. Until next time, I'll see ya.